Going to be awkward. The water butt's empty. And the hose pipe's not working and the pump's not working. So, oh well. I'm in two minds now whether to plant these or not. Got some Anita's red beans, I got chilli, a couple of cucumbers and gherkins, sweet potato, and some climbers to go in. I'm not sure whether to do it or not. Decisions, eh? Yeah, we'll do it. I can walk down to the next butt. If that might be empty as well, that's the problem if people have been using it. Only 3 or 4 cans. It rained last night, so it rained last night. So the bales should be fairly damp. Yeah, they're quite damp inside, so that's okay. Right then. Yes, I'll do it. Good tip for you guys when you do your washing, your dobying in the washing machine. You do your bedding on 80 or 90 degrees. Don't forget to turn the temperature down before you do your t-shirt. Lost my pattern. Oh dear. Let's do the things in a straw bale first, I reckon. Right, and sweet potato, this is variety Erato Deep Orange. Now I'm going to plant it here and see if I can trail it that way. We'll see. And because these bales are on this side, they're a bit awkward to cut into. So what I've been doing, to plant into, sorry, is I've been cutting them with a bit of scissors. And it does seem to help a little bit with the digging. Oh, they're lovely and manky inside, look. It's obviously working. And it smells like compost, if you know what I mean. It doesn't smell rotten. Should do it. That's better, gives you a head start. A little bit of not hay, well, it is hay fever, but I don't really get hay fever as such. But it's that time of year where there's mega pollen. Those yellow rapeseed plant fields, they're everywhere at the moment. Right then. I'll take that home with me so I forget the variety. Oh, there we are, and then you give me a quick mulch back around there. Right, next is a chilli. I'm going to put that down the bottom. Yeah, I got a bit of room here, so I can go just about there. And I'll tell you what, these are these bales that are laid the correct way, they're much more advanced than those up there. Even though they were started off over a month before, I think it was. They're just so soft. So, obviously works. Ooh. And this is a basket of fire. I like basket of fire. I think I've got to the stage with chilies now that I know which ones I like, so I'm sort of growing the same ones every year, you know? Yeah. Yeah, I've got a few different ones this year. I got Cherry Bomb and oh, what's the other one? Oh, I can't remember now. But yeah, I've got a couple of different ones. Nice to see a ladybird on the aubergine there. You probably can't see that. I just realised I've already put a basket of fire in here. Don't matter, more the merrier. Yeah, give that a go. I'm going to water these in now before I forget. Okay, let's get rid of this tape for you. It's fluttering away. It'll stay there. Yeah, stay there. Right, these are Anita's red beans. Oh yeah, I got 8 there. I don't think I need 8. But the way My veggies and things are being decimated this year. I'm going to put them all in, I think. How do I get in there then? These are those, is it Visi Grow? I can't remember now. Look alright, aren't they? Yep. Right, gonna rethink this. Dibber. Yep, dibber. That's better. That's better. That's much better. Nice and damp down there. Well, I'll show you one sort of problem, or it's not a problem, maybe wrong, it's the wrong word. Something you got to get used to. With the Hacksnicks deep root trainers, when you open the books, you slide the plug out. But because these have got these ridges here, you can't really do that. It doesn't slide. Hope you're seeing this. You've actually got to lift them out. And I just ruined the first one because I tried to slide it out and it didn't work. So you actually got to lift these out like that, look. There you are. Okay then. Next up, I want to get some of these gherkins in amongst the nasturtiums. And I get rid of that volunteer potato. I got so many of these this year. These are left over from the plant, so I wasn't going to grow them this year, but I had a couple left over. So I thought, why not? One there. Try not to disturb the nasturtiums too much, but I did leave quite a few gaps between them. Nice and warm today, that's for sure. I managed to get some water out of the trough. About 3 watering cans, which luckily is just about enough, I think. Be hard to see this one if I'm in the middle. Get rid of that ash seed first of all. That's come from home, obviously. Another one there. God, I hate the things. There we are. Right then. Well, I've got a few. Let's get rid of some of these blooming. Look at this. That's alright. It's where I've hoed it and not I've let the roots get wet again. Look. Elephant garlic doing well there. Right. Let's get these peas up there. I'll tie them up later. Right. Got these climbing flowers from Thompson Morgan, and once again, look, it's a packet set, and only a few have germinated. CC, come on, what it is now, Summit Climber, and this one's Spanish Flag, so I'm going to put that in the back here, out of the germy. Oh, I'll try to anyway. Let's get them all out. There we are. Doesn't look like a Spanish flag to me, but I mean, you know, the plant itself, but these are shocking. Total waste of money. Steve, what am I doing? Making a right pig's ear of this. Right. CC, Summit Climber. Oh, got a bit of rust here, look. I could take some of those leaves off. Just noticed that. Look at that rust on there. Right, let's get these in before I start lose where I am. Cardinal, that's it. Cardinal climber. We'll see how they go, eh? I think that's it. I've got everything in. I've watered everything. Yeah, oh no, I've done the gherkins. That'll do, guys. Get rid of that rust. I'll just take some of those leaves off. It's not going to do any good, but it may just slow down the transmission of it to other plants. Right, catch you in a bit. Out the front garden, just clearing this bed. And there was a few, like, where are we? Bits of potato poking up. And look at this lot. I'll pan you down and show you what I'm doing. I want to get all these crocuses out because they haven't been performing very well. See, I've got a couple here. They look quite big, but they haven't done as they were promised. So I'm going to put them away for now and then replant them in the autumn. So not a bad lot of spuds for volunteers. That'll do. Obviously mixed varieties in there. Have to check my sheet, see what they all were. Yeah, see, the literature said these should have flowered the first year. But don't worry if they don't, because they'll make 10 new bulbs. But that's the most they've ever done, is like 2 little ones. I think that's about it, isn't it? Yeah, there may be a few down here, but I'll leave those because I'm not going to move those garlic just yet. I only have this net on just to stop the cats going toilet here. But as you can see, the garlic's grown through it. So I'm going to cut that off actually. There we are. Right, and decided I'm going to put leeks in here. I got autumn mammoth and I got musselburgh, so musselburgh can go in here. We have the autumn ones up the allotment. And I'm also going to mix them up with some peanuts. Peanuts! Now you look on websites, it says peanuts they're a legume and they're nitrogen fixing and they're supposed to help everything grow. But yeah, legumes do tend to fix nitrogen, but only to the point of when they make their own fruit or their own beans or whatever. And then they use that nitrogen to produce the beans. So it's not, I wouldn't say it's a gardening myth, it's true, and the nitrogen will be fixed if you cut them off. But when you let them go through to cropping, then there's no nitrogen. So anyway, I'm gonna get rid of the spuds, put a little bit of compost on, get on with it. Okay then, this is my last bag of Wonder Post. I don't want to use all of it. So I want some to go in the runner beans again. So that'll do. Phew. I think I may have sown too many. I'll give some of these away to fellow plot holders. Right, and Danny's dibber, here we go. I'm not sure if dibbing's going to work with this, you know, because I'm not doing the classic make a hole and water it in. I'm going to feed them in because it's only compost. soft compost, and it doesn't really get in the leaks like soil does. Not as much anyway. Right. Now I'm not sure how to do this. Yeah, I'll do sort of wide apart. Yeah, wide between rows, and then I can get the peanuts in there. That. Okay, that's the leeks in. Just a few hundred spares. Oh, like I say, I'll give those away at the allotment. Wrap them up in damp paper. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. And I've got about over 16 plants, so yeah, 4 in each row, I reckon. Let's have a look at what they're like first. Not very big, but they get big, don't they? These peanuts. Let's see if my calculations are correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, about 10 left, that's about right then. Last one. Here we are. Happy with that. Okay, bit of water, get the net over the top before the cats come. Well, that's it for this show, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. While I was planting those leeks and peanuts, I was thinking in my head, now what can I make with leeks and peanuts? So I'm going to do a bit of research and watch out in the future. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. Look after yourselves, take care, and I'll catch you on the next video.